Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel and today we are going to fix Bondee App Not Installed problem. So if you are unable to install this app or after installation it is showing that app not installed, or if you are facing problem similar to this, then this video is for you. So watch this video till end and let's start the video without any delay. So without wasting any time, let's directly move to the solutions. So first method is by providing permission. So this app is unavailable in many countries. So what most of the people do is that they simply download it from different unknown sources from browser, which is quite risky and can affect your device. So in latest devices or in latest updates, when you install anything from unknown sources, your device opposes this. So what you have to do, you have to go against to security policy of your device and you have to provide permission to install anything from unknown sources. To do that, open settings, go to biometrics and security, scroll down and here you will see an option of install unknown apps, and here you will see a list of applications which allows you to download data or share data. Simply select the application from which you want to download it and allow the required permission. Now in next step you have to unlink your device from Google Play services, because Google Play services also restrict your device to run application downloaded from unknown sources. Simply go to settings, open apps, open Google Play services, clear data and simply uninstall this application, and then your issue will be resolved. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.